our phone. The function of there's a function
Ulit-ulitin ko pa ba?
power button here, the volume up and down. You can assign button here for camera and in the water or print screenshot or any. You can customize this button. This one, there's a thumb sensor. There's also an on and off. It's an SOS. It's an SOS. Also, there's a slot for micro SD and one SIM card. If you have two SIM cards, you can remove the micro SD for two SIM cards. There's a jack for audio, and then there's a Type-C for charging, fast charging. Also, there's an open, and as you can see, this phone is shock-proof, waterproof, and dust-proof. But I want you to know that I will just test this into water for how many seconds. I'll just take the clock timer, and I stop. I just play for maybe 1 minute. This is the water in this place, and 5, 4.
Do it!
I'll start it now.
Just do it!
I hope it will not broken. I cannot press it in the water.
Ang galing mo pala dyan ah. Hindi ko naman.
Put it and back. Let's stop at 1 minute. So I just wipe it up so that I can test it if it is still functional. I hope it's functioning.
Gunggong!
This is my
Barinig kita sa mukha eh.
phone in Umidigi. I hope it still function.
What?
Please. Boy, it's still functioning.
Oh my
Camera.
God!
Wow! Boy, it's still functioning. So I tried to test it in the internet and just use Facebook. Okay, still functioning. Okay, there's no lag, there's no hiccups. So 10 out of 10. It's worth it, and your children will love it. And accidentally throw it in the water or accidentally throw it in the floor. This phone still functions.